Part of your role as a system mentor is to monitor your group's progress and make sure everyone completes according to schedule. Blackboard makes this easy. Blackboard automatically monitors student progress in the system. Generally, this occurs in one of three ways. 1. When participants finish a lesson, but they must go all the way to the end of lesson page for this to happen. 2. When a student has received a passing grade and has completed all the other requirements for the activity. For example, to complete a discussion board, the participant must receive both a passing grade and have replied to another person's post. And 3, when students self-report a completion. This is usually for optional items like additional reading. In the upper right corner of each activity or document, there is a completion tracker symbol. A gray symbol means the activity is incomplete or has not yet been graded. A gray check mark means that the student may click on this mark to indicate completion, and it will turn green. An exclamation mark means that certain actions must take place before this activity is complete. For example, in a lesson, the participant must read the page that says "End of lesson." For a forum post, the post must be graded and the participant must reply to another person's post. Once the criteria for completion have been met, the exclamation mark will turn into a green check mark. An easy way to see where a participant is in the class is to go to Reports. System mentors can access reports by clicking on the gear icon next to the My Classes tab and then clicking on Reports. We will be using the activity completion report in the Expanded Early Start program, but feel free to check out the other reports as well. From this report, you can see which lessons have been completed and which have not. Once you have graded your group members' work, you will see additional green check marks for the case studies. You can't tell if you have work waiting to be graded from this report. Best practice is to grade first and then look at the activity completion report to see if there are any students having problems. Note that these two students, Joan Annett and John O'Connor, have completed lessons before and after finding quality health information. So you may want to check with them to see if there are any problems completing that lesson. You can override the completion status by clicking on the completion icons. Avoid doing this if possible. Try to have the student correct any issues, for example, by going all the way to the end of a lesson. The most common reasons why a participant doesn't have a green check mark when they think they've finished are: 1. They didn't go all the way to the end of a lesson and see the end of lesson page. 2. They did not reply to another person's post. 3. Their post or assignment has not yet been graded. Or 4. The activity requires the student to self-complete and they haven't clicked on the gray check mark. As always, contact us if you need help or have any questions. You can message Linda Zuckerman or Laura Allen through Blackboard, or email us at lindadickzuckerman@gmail.com or laura@wowva.com.